Okay, so we're into the 3-step approach of writing just about any letter. And we just talked about step 1, which was tell them what you're going to do, which was the lead. Now we're moving into part 2, which is tell them. This part is where you pretty much lay out your entire argument for your sales copy. It's the guts of your package. Again, we're using the same promotion that I talked about before. We talked about the first part in here. Once we tease with, in fact, you're about to discover, and now I'm starting to get into my 3-step secret to healthy blood pressure. After this point, everything that we're doing is just supporting the argument that we're making. It is providing credibility. This is where you have your doctor's bio. That, who is this doctor you're talking about? You would lay out your whole story. You would have all kinds of studies. If anything that's important to the sale of the piece, the sale of the product, then you would have that in there. So in essence, that is the guts of your letter. Okay, so tell them is the guts of your letter. You lay out all of your argument there. You put all of the important and beneficial copy right here in this section, and you make it very readable, very personal, and it gets that reader to the next stage, part 3. Join me in the next video.